Zenny, also known as Ray, and this is my whole video, and all of it's on the bed because it used to be over there where you see Twin Twist and Foot of Sunstorm. Starting off with something that is full of memories. The script from the live script reading, signed by everybody. There's Simon Williams, Gary Chuck, Scott McNeil. Can't believe you wrote that. That was from Andrea, Black Arachnia. There's, I think that was Simon Furman there. Yeah, you do. And Dreadwind, Glenn, who should totally own that Michael Bay catchphrase as his own. He did. And My Past, which is signed by Derek J. White, and Nicole, if you want that, I will send it your way. And on my lanyard, the badge I got was the Autobot, G2 Autobot and Maximo things. And yeah, the postcards, Animated Jazz, some of these are actually from other years I haven't been, because this is my first year. There's Animated Jazz. Can't remember who that character is. Let me see a minute. What's it say in the back? No, it doesn't. I'm not sure who that character is, but I'll figure it out somehow. But of course, Optimus Primal one, this Animated Swindle, done by Derek J. Wyatt, the RID Optimus Prime from, I can't really see the date on it, even if I zoom in and sort of, I still can't see. The sort of black and white, just inked cover of the Cybertronian Times, and of course, oh man, we're all. I can't do that voice for shit. Well, Rat Trap, and over here, Amy's cards, which I'm eventually going to frame these, but I want to get the Decepticon ones too, and I think I'll buy a load more of these as well, to use for Christmas cards, because that'll be unique. And over here, well, the Transmasters UK stuff. I actually picked up all of it. There's the free ones, and well, there's the autos and the comic, which is signed by Liam Shalhoub, Derek J. Wyatt, Nick Roche, Scott McNeil and Gary Chuck, and very precious to me. Shame the thing inside the comic book, well, the story inside it is not that great. But yeah, the Transmasters UK stuff, yeah, that's basically what I sent Amy, or I gave Amy, the Prime Sacrifice. And there's the other one, and there was that. I picked, there's the one, was that, I'm not sure, was it Andy Turnbull who was telling about the stuff when I was there, but yeah, actually, interesting bit of backstory here. Back in, well, it would have been 2000, maybe 2001, I was actually going to join the Transmasters UK fan, the UK fan club thing, and I never got around to it because, well, needless to say, times weren't really that great, because I was part of the well, if you mind the whole blow up between transfandom.com and TFW, when that blew up, at that time I was writing Optimus Prime's History of the Transformers, as trying to incorporate all the continuities, but of course ended up giving up on it, and that led to a lot of years of pain, but I'll get away from that. And there we go, the Cybertronian Times first edition. It's not signed by anybody because my signed stuff I got everything else signed. And well, these I'm really happy. Seen, I don't know who left those on the fan table. In fact, I got an awful lot from the fan sales table. But Complete Works Parts 1 and 2 from way back in the 80s. But I think it covers up to the first 8 issues of the US Marvel Comics. And I'm actually really pleased with those because they're hardback and just lovely. I don't mind if they're ripped a wee bit or that, or pages are yellowed, but they're not. That doesn't matter to me. Those are awesome. I absolutely love them, and whoever it was who left them there, thank you so much. And onto some of the toys in that. We'll start down here. Yeah, there you have the key rings. I didn't volunteer, so I wasn't really that fussed about the anniversary one, but it was these ones: Optimus Primal, Rat Trap, and Swindle that I wanted. Now we were getting the Optimus Primal one anyway, so I wanted those two there. Because I've actually got last year's ones, and I don't know if you can see them there, Cheetor and Grimlock. So it's a nice little set. I just need a few more for the crew of the Axon, and from T4E I got one of the Transformers I was really looking for at Auto Assembly. I had seen one on Razatron's desk or table on Friday night, and I was going to come back Saturday morning and hopefully get it, but it had gone by that stage. But T4E actually found that in the box they had for all their animated stuff, and awesome deal on that. £6.50 for animated Swindle, perfectly mint, everything with him. Oh, just awesome. I would have given the whole tenner for it, but the whole amount for it, but oh, they were giving discounts for everybody that day. But and a junker, and actually a junk box. G1 top spin without any weapons, and other than that, I don't know why he was in the junk pile, because he's perfectly mint. I'm sure he's dirty a wee bit, but a bit of cleaning here and that would do well, but he's absolutely perfect.